Hi everyone, my name is Danish Chitpara. For my individual contribution to our group research project, I focus on the research question like how do aircraft environmental control system maintain the passenger safety and comfort while improving energy efficiency in modern aircraft. This topic is important because aircraft environmental control system, also known as EECS, are responsible for keeping the aircraft cabin safe and comfortable during flight. These systems help control cabin temperature, cabin pressure, ventilation, and air quality. At the same time, modern aircraft also need to reduce unnecessary energy. So, ECS design is not only about passenger comfort, it is also connected to aircraft efficiency and sustainability. For my research, I selected these three academic sources from Seneca Library database. Each source helps answer a different part of our question. The first source I found by Wei Peng and Cheng. This article focuses on a new multifunctional aircraft environmental control system. The main value of this source is that it explains how ECS design can improve energy efficiency. The authors compares a new system with conventional system, and so the new system can use less bleed air and reduce energy loss. This is useful for our group project because it gives technical evidence that modern ECS technology can help aircraft operate more efficiently while still supporting important system functions. The second source I found that is by other researchers and Liu. The article focuses on ventilation inside commercial aircraft cabin. I think this is one of the strongest source for our research project because it connects ECS directly with passenger comfort, health and air quality. The study explains that flush ventilation can improve airflow in passenger breathing zone and reduce the required ventilation rate by 15 to 20. This supports our research question because it shows that ECS can help maintain a safer and more comfortable cabins while also reducing energy use. This source is especially useful for explaining the passenger side of our topic. The third source that I found that Liu Zhong, Van Dong and Liu. This article focuses on thermodynamics optimization of aircraft environmental control system using modified genetic algorithms. The article is valuable because it shows that engineering optimization can reduce fuel energy consumption by 11% while maintaining required cooling capacity and outlet pressure. This supports our research project because it proves that ECS improvement is not only about comfort zone, it is also about efficient aircraft design, airflow control, airflow pressure, cooling performance, and other pressure requirements. And yes, also lower energy waste. Together, these three sources show that aircraft environmental control system have two major responsibility. First, they help protect passenger by maintaining cabin air quality, temperature, pressure and ventilation. Second, they help improve aircraft efficiency by reducing bleed air use, ventilation demand and fuel energy consumption and system energy loss too. My main claim is that modern aircraft use more advanced ECS design than that can improve passenger safety and comfort while reducing energy use. This is important because aviation technology needs to meet both human needs and environmental goals. Passengers need to safer and comfortable cabins, but aircraft manufacturers also need to systems that are lighter and less consumption of the energy and sustainable. For our group research project, I recommend that we organize our discussion around these three main ideas: passenger safety, passenger comfort, and energy efficiency. We can use the first and third article to support the technical energy efficiency side, and we can use the second article to support the cabin comfort and air quality side. So to conclude my video, my research show that aircraft ECS is not just a background mechanical system. It's a major part of modern aircraft design because it affects both the passenger experience and the aircraft performance. I recommended that our group use these three sources to explain how improved ECS design can support safer, more comfortable, and more efficient air travel. These findings will make our research project stronger because they connect technical evidence with real passenger sustainability benefits. Thank you so much.